Alright, here you go. I don't have a box for y'all, but I do have a bullet. That is a 300 Blackout Winchester Deer Season XP. We're doing the Powertest 2.0 at about 50 yards. That's the half-inch board in front of the flower, then a half-inch board, then a water jug, then we got the quarter-inch boards behind it. And we're going to check out how it punches through, so stick around. Alright, we're doing the Powertest. Gonna try and see how it works with the board again. Went to just doing the regular flower power, but doing the Deer Season XP and 300 Black. And we're gonna try the standard Powertest 2.0. Flower, got repair kit for, and we got the first board. Might actually have the bullet inside. Alright, here we go. This is the Powertest with the 300 Blackout in Winchester XP. I am really liking this bullet. This is going in, so that's the expansion after it hits the flower. That's a nice hole. That's definitely a nice hole. Goes through the water jug. And we have impact right here. Side, we got the first board. It's pretty nice. There we got the bullet right there. There's a good hunk of lead. Stick that off to the side. Got a big indentation. Definitely gonna call that as penetration. Even though, well, it is what it is. I mean, it's, you gotta give it, you know, at least a B for trying. That's a pretty good solid knock. Still put a dent in, cracked it, and we put a split on the last one. So that is actually pretty darn good for a Powertest. And remember, it hit the flower first and expanded, so that's already got it slowing down. Hit this board right here, so that's going to slow it down even more. Hits the gallon jug of water, and still for a 300 Blackout, manage to do that. So that is really good. That is really good. That is a superb bullet. Winchester, y'all got this one right. Y'all definitely got that one right. .41, and that's a .30 bullet. So .41 on the expansion going through the flower. And we already got the bullet falling apart. .45 on the first board. Gonna go basically go rim to rim kind of type thing. .54 on the second board where it was lodged. And then basically my thumb. I'm gonna go this way. Rim to rim. .68 rim to rim. .53. Not too shabby. Not too shabby at all. Let's see. So that 150 grain. If I'm wrong, I will have it right now. Chunk of lead. 150 grain. Roughly 100 grains left on that chunk of lead going through, so we've got 2/3 of it left. So there you go. Ta-da! Thanks for watching.